Good morning to everybody. Hope you are all well. Welcome to online classes. Now I will explain the last part of this story, The Flight of Icarus, Unit 1 from English course book. Now, before explaining the last part, I will refer few sentences as a reference and continuation. With a feeling of great excitement, they climbed on to the window ledge. Daedalus smiled at his son, then jumped. At the first, the wings did not seem to be lifting him. Desperately, he flapped his wings, and then slowly, at first, he was carried up into the sky. He glanced over his shoulder to see Icarus close behind. What a thrill young Icarus felt to be flying like a bird. With sheer delight, Icarus soared higher and higher up toward the clouds. Daedalus suddenly realized that his son was too excited to remember his father's warning. Up, up, soared the boy through the clouds and then above them. Now I'll start from the book itself. Icarus, my son, come back. The sun will melt the wax, pleaded Daedalus. When Daedalus observed that his son Icarus flew at a great height and he crossed the layer of the clouds, then Daedalus requested his son Icarus to come again and explain that the wax would be melted by the heat of the sunlight. Explanation number 2. When Daedalus noticed that his son Icarus flew and crossed the clouds, then Daedalus appealed his son to move towards his father's place where Daedalus was flying below the cloud, the layer, and also he explained the second advice and pleaded him to come down, otherwise the wax would be melted due to heat of sunlight. Explanation number 3. Daedalus looked at Icarus and he realized that Icarus was hovering above the layer of clouds. Then Daedalus solicited his son to come down below the layer of the clouds, otherwise the sunlight would melt the wax and the wings should be damaged. But Icarus did not listen his father's appeal as he flew above the clouds. Next from the book. But Icarus was now too far away to hear the cries of his father. Explanation 1. Daedalus appealed his son Icarus to come down from the higher level, but Icarus was not listening his father's cry as Icarus was far away from his father's location. Explanation 2. Daedalus pleaded his son Icarus to move towards his father's location, otherwise the wax of his wings should be melted by the sunlight, but Icarus did not hear his father's appeal as Icarus flew too high in the sky. Number 3. Explanation. When Daedalus observed that his son flew over the clouds level, he requested to come down to normal level. of the sky where was his father's location. But Icarus did not listen her father's call as he was very far away from the location of his father. Then from the books. Suddenly Icarus remembered it was too late. Explanation 1. Suddenly Icarus remembered the advice of his father Daedalus that if he flew too high, the heat from the sun would melt the wax and the feathers would remove from the artificial wings. But it was so late that it was not possible to come down in the safest zone. Explanation 2. Accidentally Icarus recollected the advice of his father. His father forbade him to fly too high. If he did so, the sun would melt the wax of his fabricated wings and the wing should be damaged. And also he suggested that Icarus not to fly too much high, but it was so late, the Icarus would not came down in the safest zone. Explanation number 3. All of a sudden, Icarus reminded the advice of his father. He forbade him to fly too high in the sky. If he did so, the sun ray would be melted the wax of the artificial wings which were fixed on his shoulder. But it was too late to come down in the safest zone of the sky. It is the explanation end of first lecture.